Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into FCAT's token, or $SCAT, a new cryptocurrency with exciting potential. His token is built around the concept of FCATs and aims to offer unique utility within its ecosystem. Using FCAT's token provides opportunities for community growth, potential rewards, and leveraging the advantages of the TON blockchain. The $SCAT token is integrated with the TON blockchain, which provides benefits like high speed, scalability, and low transaction fees, making transactions efficient and affordable. Acquiring $SCAT is straightforward on MEXC Global. First, you'll need to create an account, then complete the KYC verification process. Once that's done, you can deposit funds into your account and then trade for $SCAT. Be sure to look at images if any are provided on the screen for guidance. FCAT's decentralized application, or DAPP, offers multiple functionalities including staking, an NFT marketplace, and other utilities. SCAT NFTs include a collection with utility within the ecosystem, and instructions on how to acquire and trade the NFTs. Joining the FCAT's Telegram community is vital to stay up to date on the project. Here you'll find updates, announcements, and support from other community members. It's important to remember that cryptocurrency investments carry inherent risks. Always do your own research before investing, and remember that this is not financial advice. In conclusion, $SCAT has significant potential. We encourage you to explore the project further, join the Telegram community, and delve into the DAPP. Consider buying $SCAT and explore the DAPP to get more involved. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.